about, like, I guess it's in the future, there's these districts, and it's like the future of reality shows where people have to, these kids, like 12 to 18, are put in like a lottery, and they are picked to fight to the death on a reality show for people's entertainment, I guess. I guess the point of it was to be like, who survives, who's like the survivor, you know, kind of like the, what is it, the Darwin thing, like, you know, wait, is that Darwin? Who's the one that said, like,
okay, so everyone, today I'm going to show you how I straighten my hair. People are all
hey guys, so this is kind of a gross video because I have a bad breath, but it's actually pretty bad. I'm super like a pet peeve of mine. All I can use like every day because I'm not so ready this time. And I come like when I first came out, I kind of liked it. Now I have trouble, but then I think if I can't voice my opinion, what's the point of living in America, and what's the point of having free speech?